When you think of space telescopes, you probably think of Hubble's breathtaking images or the James Webb Space Telescope peering farther back in time than ever before. But NASA's next observatory isn't trying to replace either of them. It's trying to answer a different question. What if we could see the entire cosmic picture? Meet the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. Scheduled to launch in 2026, Roman is NASA's next flagship observatory, named after Nancy Grace Roman, the astronomer often called the mother of Hubble. Decades before Hubble ever left the ground, Roman fought to make large space telescopes a reality, forever changing astronomy. At first glance, Roman looks surprisingly familiar. Its primary mirror measures 2.4 meters, exactly the same size as Hubble's. So why build another telescope with the same mirror? Because Roman isn't about seeing farther, it's about seeing more. Imagine looking at the night sky through a drinking straw. That's similar to how Hubble observes the universe. It captures incredible detail, but only in tiny patches of sky. Now imagine replacing that straw with a panoramic window. That's Roman. Its revolutionary 300-megapixel wide-field instrument will capture images with Hubble-like clarity while covering at least 100 times more sky in a single image. In fact, Roman will survey the cosmos up to 1,000 times faster than Hubble while maintaining similar sensitivity and infrared resolution. Instead of taking hundreds of individual photographs and stitching them together, Roman can capture the entire scene at once. That changes everything. Over its primary 5-year mission, Roman is expected to observe billions of galaxies, measure light from hundreds of millions of stars, and generate one of the most comprehensive maps of the universe ever created. But beautiful pictures aren't the mission's primary goal. Roman was built to solve some of the biggest mysteries in science. One of those mysteries is dark energy. When astronomers discovered that the universe isn't just expanding, but expanding faster and faster, it completely overturned our understanding of gravity. Something appears to be pushing galaxies apart. We don't know what it is. We call it dark energy. Roman will map the positions and movements of millions of galaxies across billions of years of cosmic history, helping scientists determine whether dark energy is truly a mysterious force, a property of empty space, or evidence that our understanding of gravity itself is incomplete. Then there's dark matter. Everything we can see, stars, planets, gas, dust, even ourselves, makes up only a small fraction of the universe. Most of the universe appears to consist of invisible matter that reveals itself only through gravity. Roman will use a phenomenon called gravitational lensing, where massive objects bend light like a cosmic magnifying glass, allowing astronomers to create the largest and most detailed maps yet of this invisible matter. But perhaps the most exciting discoveries won't be galaxies at all. They'll be planets. Roman will conduct one of the largest exoplanet surveys ever attempted using a technique called gravitational microlensing. As stars briefly pass in front of one another, gravity bends and magnifies their light. Tiny distortions can reveal planets that would otherwise remain completely invisible. NASA expects Roman to discover thousands of new exoplanets, including worlds smaller than Earth, giant gas planets, and even rogue planets, worlds drifting through interstellar space with no parent star at all. Roman also carries something no previous NASA flagship telescope has ever flown: a coronagraph. This remarkable instrument blocks the overwhelming light from distant stars, allowing astronomers to directly photograph some of the planets orbiting them. Finding exoplanets is one thing. Actually seeing them is another. The coronagraph is also a proving ground for future missions that may one day capture the first direct image of an Earth-like planet capable of supporting life. Roman won't work alone. In many ways, it completes a team. Hubble gives us extraordinary close-up images. James Webb studies individual objects in remarkable detail and looks back toward the first galaxies. Roman finds the targets neither telescope could efficiently discover. It will sweep enormous regions of the sky, uncovering supernovae, distant galaxies, black holes, gravitational lenses, exoplanets, and rare cosmic events before handing many of them off to Webb and future observatories for closer investigation. Think of it this way: Hubble is a portrait photographer. Webb is a microscope. Roman is the mapmaker. Together, they allow us to explore the universe in ways no single telescope ever could. Within just a few years, Roman could reshape our understanding of how galaxies formed, reveal thousands of previously unknown worlds, create the largest map ever made of dark matter, and bring us one step closer to answering some of humanity's oldest questions. What is most of the universe actually made of? How did it evolve? And are we truly alone? The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope won't simply show us more of the universe. It may finally reveal how the universe itself works.